I'm just waiting to hear myself back. Looks like there's a very long delay. Okay, I hear it now. Awesome. Alrighty. Welcome, welcome to the stream. I Yeah, I haven't done something as chill as this. I do chill streams like all goes and chill, but I'm writing code, so it's not as chill. We still do some puzzles and coding and programming, but this one's gonna be chill. This one's gonna be completely chill. I promise you. I am not gonna write code. Like, if I want to write code, stop me. Like, go to the chat and just spam me with a bunch of messages, and I'm gonna stop writing code. All right, so let's talk about what I'm gonna be doing. Um, I just want to hang out, play some games, and chat. Uh, Specifically, I'm gonna be playing maybe Connect 4, Battleship, Tic Tac Toe, and I might talk about algorithms, might talk about computer science, might talk about code. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, just stick around for the next hour or so. Um, Also, if you're in the stream and you want to hop on a quick game, I'll put a link in the chat for that. The platform that I use is papergames.io. It has a bunch of ads. Like, I have been trying so much to turn these ads off, but I cannot get to do it. Like, I installed an ad blocker, but it wouldn't let me play the games because I had an ad blocker. So, we gotta deal with what we gotta deal with. As you can see now, we have an ad for Adobe, which isn't bad. I hope there's not like NSFW ads that pop up. So, yeah, we don't want that here. Alrighty, so I'm also going to be responding to questions that I got from Instagram. That being said, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that. The link is in the description. So, without further waste of time, let's play some games. I wonder what the first game I'm going to play is. Uh, the one that I am most familiar with here is Connect 4. I don't know how to play Battleship very well. Tic Tac Toe, there's like different rules, and this other one, which one is it? What's the name? Gumoku? It sounds like Sudoku. I don't know how to play it. Let's see what happens. Let me try to reconnect, and let's play Connect 4. Another ad for Progressive. This is not sponsored, guys. This is not sponsored. So I'm going to find an opponent. Wait for it. Do we have someone? Do we not have someone? What's happening? Yeah, no one wants to play me. Like, they know how bad I am. They don't want to play me, guys. Come on. Come on, someone from another time zone. Come on. Hmm. Why does it say Ranka instead of rank? Like, what language is this? Come on, someone please play me. Play me, please. What's up in the chat? We've got one viewer. Hey, whoever that is, say something. Let the world know you're here. Say something. Say something in the chat. We still don't have someone. I'm gonna refresh. It usually doesn't go like this. Like, it's like real fast. Finding a random player. Oh, okay. It usually takes 20 seconds, usually takes 17 seconds, usually takes 16 seconds. Interesting. Looks like there's a tournament going on. And Yos94 is winning. And this is me, guys, MLV. Yeah. Did someone join? Seems that you lost connection. Let me check. So YouTube says excellent connection. Papergames.io says I keep losing connection. Alright, connect 4. Find an opponent. Okay, let's go. Someone's here. Yay. Awesome. Alrighty. We've got one person. Yay. I'm not a pro. I don't know what the trick is, but I think the trick is to block all of their moves. I'm not gonna block these 3 because I know that they cannot connect 4. So I'm gonna go here. Interesting. I'm not gonna let you connect these 4. You can connect these 4. And I'm not gonna let you connect these 4. The whole game is saturated on this part. Nope. The hell? Your turn. Wait, did I just play here? I shouldn't have. Oh no, I wanted to play here. Oh, come on. Oh. Alright, let's play again. Alright, cool. Now I'm gonna diversify my moves. I'm not sure if that's gonna help, but let's see. play here. Yep, I knew it. Gonna play here. Gonna play here. Oh. She caught it. Did she play here? Where can I play like the most optimal move? I have a potential here. I think she's gonna play here. Yeah, it was Fraser. Guys, my bad. I don't know who this is. If it's a he or she. Yeah, if I play here, the person's gonna play here. And nope, I don't want that. Nope, so here. Alright, let me see where they can win. Can they win here? Potentially. We can win here. Yeah, block this. Okay. Play here. Got a minute to make a move, which isn't bad. Kind of like that. You know what? I'm gonna turn my microphone off and concentrate on actually on winning. I'm gonna concentrate on winning. Let's go. Yes. Yes, I won. Yes, let's go. Do you want to play again? Okay. At least I won a game. At least I won a game. I can live with that. If I don't win any more games tonight, I can live with that. any chance of winning this move. I can just connect these four. If I play here, and she's gonna play here. She could connect these four. I don't know how to do that. So. Let's see. She could connect these four. Saying something? Where did you play, Miss Fraser? Where did you play? Mr. Fraser, or Mrs. Fraser, Miss Fraser. Where did you play? She could win this. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Well, either way, she wins, or I win. If I play here. Okay. Good job, good job, good job. I want to play someone else. Wasn't that bad. I thought she was amateur, but she wasn't. I keep saying she. No, I think the person was amateur. The person wasn't. Let's check. Let me see. Yeah. It's a German female name. Kate Trooper, what's going on? Got 122 wins? Jeez. I've only got 4 wins. No, seriously, guys. I was just looking at the stream. I was only looking at the stream. I wasn't paying attention. Let's see another person. Is there anything in the chat? Hey, someone wants to join. So hey, I'll check the link. In a sec. I like the teal players more than the... what color is this? Blue? Heather blue? So I won the other game by diversifying my moves. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this game as well. I could connect this. Could connect this. If I play here, then she plays here, then I can play here, and I can connect 4. Okay, that's good. So I can stop this move. Awesome. And if I stop this move, yes, great. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. If I play here, then she's gonna play here. What's gonna happen? And she's gonna stop this move. Oh, I win. I can play here, and she can play here. and I can play here. Either way, I effing win. Yes, let's go. Yup. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gonna play again? Now I'm gonna stall. If the person doesn't play, I'm just gonna make a play with a friend. Alright, so guys, on the stream, I'm gonna drop this link in the chat. So if you do want to play, just get in with this link. Connect 4 at SAIO link. Else. Link. Alright, I have played 4 games. I have won 2 games. I have lost 2 games. Technically, I have lost 2. I'm gonna say I have lost 1 because the other one I just lost like right at the start of the game, and that's because I was concentrating on the chat. Do we have people on the stream who want to play? How do I know you're here? HLGMM blah blah blah. Let me go to this link and see what happens. Alright, so link is in the chat. Like, if you do want to hop on, please do. And we'll wait a couple minutes. Someone here? Alright, if you do get on this link, just say something in the chat. And I'll come back here. Okay, someone doesn't want to play, so I'm gonna go back to Connect 4. 10 wins. How good are you, Serena? How good are you, Serena? They all try this. Like, they all try this move. Like, how do you think you can get away with this? Absolutely impossible. I'm not even gonna play here, because it's a dead end for you. Play here, please. Ah, I see. 399. Yo, I got bumped up from like 600 something to 399. Cool. You know, I feel like you want to optimize for the most players at the bottom as possible, I think, and on the sides. Because at the bottom you can go like horizontal, and on the sides you can go diagonal. So let's see what happens. Alright. She could play here, she could play here, and then play here. If I play here, she could play here, and I could play here. If I play here, she could also play here, and she could play here, and she could win. Interesting. I could play here. And they could play here. From now on, like as the game gets closer, gets tighter, I figure you can use something like a greedy algorithm approach by kind of like making the best decision in every case, because there's like very little decision spaces. You could actually think about which one's the best decision. For here, there's like 1, 2, yeah, I think that's pretty much all the plays that I can make. I could also play here. The best one would be, let's say this one. Probably not. I just played it because I was like, time. You left the game. I did not leave the game. I actually could win this game. One, two, three, four. I'm gonna stop you from making your moves here. win here. No. Oh, you could play here, you could play here. Her turn. I can only play here. And she could play here. And I can play here. And she could play here. There's only one place I could play. Which is here. Yep, she wins. Yeah, go ahead. Great, great. Good for you, good for you. Congrats. Reconnect. Let's play something else, shall we? Tic-tac-toe. How do you play this? Like, I know there's so many rules. And you just want like connect diagonal 3 points, right? And you could connect any 3 points on the 2D grid. Alright, someone's here with 1 win, and I'm here with 1 win. Looks like we're equals. So we're a match. We're a match. Let's go, let's go, let's do this. You could win here, so let's do it. Usually the first person who plays, the person who makes the first move has a better chance of winning. She could win here. If I play this, most likely gonna play this, and then I can play that, and play this, or I can play this. Come on, either way he wins. Cheers. Well. Alright, I'm giving you 2 wins. Does it say 2 wins or 2 games? is it shaking? Battleship. How do you play Battleship? So I was saying something about battleships, and my microphone was off. It turns out that I have solved the battleships in a board question on LeetCode. Not to brag, but I may have solved it. And it didn't really seem like an entertaining game, so I might as well play something else. And also, I totally forgot about the Instagram questions. I will get to those in a second. Once I start playing, and as the game goes, at the start of the game is going to be really chill, so I can talk about it without being distracted. Alright, so while we're finding a random player, someone on Instagram said something about what my favorite CS course was in undergrad. And that's a really tough question, actually. It's a really, really tough question. I feel like the favorite CS question for me would be the question that prepares you most for what you're going to get in the real world. And for me, that was object-oriented programming, like OOP. OOP was by far the most useful course that I took in undergrad. A lot of people like to argue against OOP, but it really helps to organize your code, groups things together, so you can make relationships between objects, and that's all what programming is about. It's just maintaining the state of objects. The core functionality of frameworks like React are built on OOP constructs. You have a class, and that class has a state. That state can be updated. It's just OOP concepts. And in a conventional computer science education where you work on things that are irrelevant to what you would do in the real world, for instance, a lot of the assignments that we do are not applicable to actual real world applications. So for object-oriented programming, most of the assignments that we did kind of felt applicable. For instance, I remember one of our projects we were asked to create like a something called PeopleSoft, right, to manage people in an organization, specifically like students and instructors and faculty, and then you can manage their details and attributes. You can manage students' grades. You can manage who can access their grades, stuff like that. Can be easily done with OOP. And then you can add students to the database, like that. OOP was good for that. So it really helped to prepare me for real world applications. And up to this day, I feel like I'm an OOP buff. Like, I'm an OOP fanboy. If I think of a problem, I most likely have to think of an OOP solution to it. Uh, yeah, that being said, it's really good for maintaining states, basically. Also helps with modularization. Although some people argue that if you really want to modularize your code, you might want to go with something like, say, functional programming instead of object-oriented programming. And that's a valid point, actually. The thing with functional programming is it's too modularized. Like, the functions are too specific to doing a particular thing, right? And you can't really organize it. Like, when I look at like a functional code, I would see like 20, 30 functions, each doing their own thing. And when I look at an object-oriented programming code, I would see maybe 5 functions in a class, 2 functions in a class, and those functions are specific to what that object does. Instead of functional programming where you have a bunch of functions that perform a specific task. So yeah, it's too modular, but it's good for some applications. I have used functional programming on things that require functional programming. And that being said, it's not like I'm bashing it. Okay, it's not like it's a bad thing to do. Just that I love OOP better. So yeah, that's my spiel about which undergrad course was my favorite. Yeah, that's pretty much it. No one wants to play. Refresh. Alright, someone said someone said Dogecoin. I know exactly who said this. Who said Dogecoin? Yeah, to the moon, guys, to the moon. I heard some SpaceX Dogecoin news tonight. Let me see if I can pull that up. SpaceX Dogecoin. SpaceX accepts Dogecoin payment for Doge 1 mission to the moon. Is SpaceX commercial, or are they accepting payments for stuff? Elon Musk's SpaceX will launch the Doge 1 mission to the moon in the first quarter of 2022, with the company accepting the maintenance borrowed cryptocurrency as full payment for their lunar payload. So the Doge 1 mission to the moon, like, who's paying for this? Is it NASA? And is NASA gonna pay in Doge? Like, what's up? Okay. Geometric Energy Corporation announced the Dogecoin funded mission. 40 kilogram cube satellite as payload. SpaceX's clients are not actual people, they're companies. So let's see how a company would acquire like millions and millions of Dogecoin to pay for this. But if this goes through, guys, this is awesome. I mean, once it goes through, we're going to the moon, baby. I mean, like, literal moon. Yeah, the democratization of currency was inevitable. Like, crypto just sped that up. I just really hope that we find a way to, regulate it instead of just having it left in the hands of private institutions, which kind of defeats the purpose, right? You want a decentralized network, and then you have all those private brokerages that, serve as gatekeepers for crypto. Yeah, if you really want to be crypto-centric, if that's a word, you should get your own wallet. Like, you shouldn't keep it on some brokerage account or something like that. You should manage your own crypto wallet, which I feel like more people should be geared towards. So yeah, to the moon, guys, to the moon. Someone here? I'm gonna play one more game and end the stream. It's been great. It's been great hanging out. A couple people wanted to play, but they didn't show up. So well, that'll do for me. This was fun. I, you know, enjoyed hanging out with you. Let me know if you want me to do this more often. my channel's a bit more, you know, programming centric. If you want me to move over to the less algorithmic side, let me know, and I'll do more of these streams. If you want me to mix and match stuff, say play some games, like I had an idea of like playing games and actually writing code at the same time and see how I could concentrate playing games and solving leaker questions. Let me know if that's something you might want to see. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining. If you're watching this at a later date, have fun. I just, exposed myself that I'm really, really bad at board games, but it is what it is. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good night. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, share this video around the community. Star my GitHub repository. Like, it's been getting a little bit of recognition around the community, so keep starring it. Link is in the description of some of my videos. Follow me around, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.